How to disable live text on iPhone. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to disable live text on iPhone. Now let's get started. First we need to open our Settings app. Then we need to scroll down and find option General and tap on it. Here we should find option Language and Region at the bottom and tap on it too. Then we need to switch option Live Text off. This feature will turn off live text from the Camera app and the Photos app. If you would like to disable live text for the Camera app only, open Settings and scroll down and find Camera and open it. Now just switch option Show Detected Text off. And that's all. It was how to disable live text on iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.